Kambi mar rego niang ma Soin sugar mani soliat e ward e county ma Kericho chana mar chako tich bang' podho kuom kinde malach. Chenro mar chiero kambino oyange ni biro muonyo omenda maromo bilion 2.5. Kane oloso e seche mane ichako ayanga gedo mar kambino ma dhi timore kuom dweche 18, jakom kambino Paul Chirchiro oyango ni kambino chano mar golo sukari maromo tan 1,500 e odiechieng' ka odiechieng', kendo idho nyaka tan 4,000. MCA Masoliat Albert Kipkoech osingo mar neno ni omenda oket tenge kod counties e loso apaya madonjo e kambino.
Ni furaha kubwa sana na ninaamini ya kwamba hii Soin sugar sasa itafufuka na ifufuke vizuri. Tunaamini ya kwamba wale ambao wamekuja kutusaidia kuinvest na kufanya kazi watatufanyia haki.
It gives me a lot of pleasure today to see that Soin sugar is going to come back. So congratulations. From our side as the directorate, we'll give you whatever support you need. We have given this factory a lot of support in the past.
We have asked the farmers to produce the cane on a yearly basis, because the new varieties will be given to them, and also they will get fertilizer so that the growth of the gains is enhanced.
And the chairman of budget is here, who is also a very able MCA of this area and our MCAs. I will be requesting you, Chairman, and I know I will be releasing you immediately after this function to run to Nakuru for the budget. I will request you that we consider having around 50 million for the purpose of developing the cane around this area. So kindly, you go to Nakuru with my blessings. That's our 50 million. We'll use the two sites that we have here in Kericho, the FTC and this region, for cane development in our area.
Ka wali nyime wairne jopuonjre mabiro donjo e mbalariany mopogore opogore ojiw mondo oti gi